Here's how we can rearrange our home screen on iPhone 16e. So essentially, if you want to change the position or location of the app in the home screen, you can press and hold your finger on the app, and then you can start dragging it and place it anywhere you wish it to be. Of course, you can go all the way to the right in order to go to the next page and drop it anywhere over here, or you can go all the way to the left in order to go to the previous page. And if you go all the way to the right, you will create a new home screen page as well, like this, as an example, right? And once you are done, you can simply press down in the top right corner. However, besides that, of course, we can create folders, so you can drag and drop an app one into another. So if I do something like this, I'm going to try to place it on top. There we go. This is how we can create a folder, and of course we can keep adding multiple apps over here to create a cool folder for our organization purposes. Now, besides that, of course, we have some edit tools. Over here in the top left corner, we have edit, where we can edit pages. So we can customize our home screen a little bit with different options. We can make apps bigger or smaller. And essentially that is it. If you are in the edit mode, you can also remove apps by simply tapping on this minus button here. And once you are done, you can tap pretty much anywhere in the empty space or press down in the top right corner. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.